Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is March the 12th on a Wednesday, and still seeing a lot of selling going on in the market. We are extremely oversold. Could be getting a bounce anytime. Could be worth a nice little rip in a bear market potentially. But let's dive in, take a look at some setups. Uh, First on the list is EH. There's going to be a couple of earnings plays from China that are looking interesting. This EH, you can see it's kind of a bull flag pattern. If it does get above that 24.51, trading just below it right now, be the high of that wick right there. So 24.51, the trigger in that EH. VNET, another one that had earnings. See this morning, and it's kind of similar to the same pattern, potentially a wedge pattern here, I guess you could call it. And if it does get above that wick right there, 1320 is the trigger on VNET. Be careful, these things can be very volatile. Obviously China plays. And then YUMC is another one that's just been hanging out for the longest time, not able to get through this level. So I still like it if it does. I think it could be explosive. So 58 is the trigger on that one. May not go off. Okay, and actually bought a few of these beaten up tech stocks, just small size, and there's the EH alert going off. And Tesla, and I'm sure everybody's been hearing a lot about Tesla. I nibbled yesterday. And when I do this, it's very small size, guys. It's the most a quarter size. I'm not diving in. You can always add to your position if this is the bottom. So the volatility right now, you can get serious moves with just a quarter size position anyway. So the trigger on that was 237.08. That would have been the high of yesterday. I know it's trading there above right now. You're going to have to just use your own judgment as far as, looking for a pullback to buy. I don't like chasing in this market. You can get your prices. But anyway, the trigger is 237.08. And just also a couple more, Apple and Google are both on some, they're on my list today. I'm not calling them as my top 4 picks, but a place where I nibbled also yesterday, just on support levels. All right, guys, that's it for today. Keep it tight. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.